My name is Katie Chung-Hwa, and I'm an IFBB bikini professional, and I'm a fitness model and spokesmodel. I came to Dr. Tadoff today to get some laser hair removal and also to get a couple unwanted tattoos off my hands and wrists. This tattoo says trust on it. I got it probably 7 or 8 years ago. I originally got it just because I was young and I thought it was cool, and now everyone has a wrist tattoo and I don't like that anymore. This one is supposed to say shh down the finger, and the tattoo artist was horrible, and it's already fading and it just looks like I have an ink blot down my finger. So that needs to go. I wanted this tattoo originally years ago just because I thought it was really funny if you like held it up like this, but things are permanent. This is permanent, and I see it all the time and it just looks bad, and people always ask what it is and they can't make it out, and so I want it off, and I probably won't get it again just because it looks kind of tacky, to be honest. So I'm really glad I have an option to remove it. I do have a couple other tattoos that I love that I'm not removing. I have one down my side, and that says Chung-Hwa, and I have Made in China on my foot, and then I also have Refuse to Sink on my forearm, which is just a cute little dainty thing that is a daily reminder to myself. I love this little bear. Yes. So happy. I'm not sure if I'll be getting any more tattoos. I think I'm gonna wait and grow up a little bit and see what I want in the long run.